So in this video, we're going to see how you can use your phone as a PC microphone and it's wireless. So first you have to download a tool that called OMic. So search OMic download for PC and then you get the website and then hit the download button and scroll down and you can see the download option. So you have to download and install it. I already complete the download and installation process. After that, you download it on your iPhone or Android. So if you have iPhone, then go to App Store and search OMic. And I already download it. And if you have Android, the same way, you have to open the Play Store and download the OMic. And now you have to open the tool on your computer and then hit the connection, then connect. Now you select the Wi-Fi and you have to choose same Wi-Fi network on your computer and your iPhone or Android phone. Then hit the start button from the phone and you can see a IP and you have to enter the same IP. If it's same, just click connect and it's connected now. So now you can voice over anywhere. So I just checked. I open my editing software and click the voice and there is already detect our OMic. Hello, hello, 1, 2, 3, 4, hello. Okay, so it's actually working. So that's it. Now you can use this microphone as your video calling, voice over, video editing. You can do anything. Thank you so much. See you on the next video. Till then, take care. Tada.